7, risks and liabilities. Risks and liabilities is the 7th criterion. The acquirer should conduct thorough due diligence, which is essential to identify and assess all potential risks, like the legal and regulatory risks, legal and regulatory risks. This has to do with compliance issues. The acquirer should check if there is any ongoing litigation, competition concerns, or just potential regulatory changes. Environmental. There is also, as part of risks and liabilities, there is environmental liabilities. Environmental liabilities. The acquirer has to check any past or present environmental issues that could result in significant costs or penalties. Then there could also just be hidden liabilities. Hidden liabilities. This is in relation to undisclosed debts, contingent liabilities, or off-balance sheet obligations. 4, reputation risks. The acquirer has to check if there is any negative public perception or reputation damage associated with the target. 5, intellectual property risks. That is to mean strength and enforceability of intellectual property and potential infringement issues. So this is the 7th criterion